Hey, so one of the questions that seems to come up a lot when we're talking about SQL Server replication is the difference between push versus pull replication. And really, it's a question of where are the jobs going to be run? Where are the things being run that are going to be moving that data around? All right, so when we talk about push replication, all of the actions required to replicate the data are initiated at the distributor. And oftentimes the distributor may be the same as the publisher, but it doesn't have to be. And all of the agent tasks involved in the replication process, the snapshot agent, the log reader, or the distribution agent, all of those run on the distributor, and that pushes all the data out to those different locations, to all the subscribers. With that, you've got it all in one place. It's maybe a little bit easier to monitor, control, and track usage and things like that. And then we look at pull replication. Pull replication, on the other hand, it's driven by the subscriber. The subscriber has the agent jobs running, and it's instead of it being pushed out, the subscriber runs and occasionally reaches to the distributor and says, hey, is there any data for me? And it brings it down locally. Hey, is there more data for me? And it brings it down locally. The subscriber is pulling those changes instead of the publisher pushing them. Really, the key differences there is the agent location, how it gets initialized, and it's a little bit harder to manage if you've got to go to all those different servers to track that. I think the push resource utilization is primarily on the distributor. Pull, it's all out on the subscriber. With performance, depending on the load, depending on how many subscribers you have, the distributor or the publisher may get a little bit more overloaded. With pull, you can push some of that off to the subscribers, but really all you're pushing off is the running of those jobs that are going to move the data. When the data actually gets moved, that's the same work happening whether it's push or pull. Anyway, really the key difference is with the push, you've got better centralized control. With the pull, it's running on multiple locations. The other thing to keep in mind is if one of your subscribers is a SQL Server Express server that does not have the SQL Server agent included in it, it can't do pull subscription. You have to do push to those. And you can do any combination of push and pull between the different servers that you're replicating with. So if you want to learn more about SQL Server replication, you can check out my SQL Server course at stedman.us/school is the URL for it. That's stedman.us/school, and that would redirect you to the Stedman SQL School, where we have a number of courses, including SQL Server replication and others from join types to database corruption, all those cool things that you'll want to learn, including performance tuning as well. Anyway, check it out at stedman.us/school, the Stedman SQL School. And maybe there's a class there that can help you learn. All right, have a great day.
Thanks for watching our video. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Please click the thumbs up if you liked it, and if you want more information, more videos like this, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified of future videos that we create.